I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside the game. You have to open Roblox's in-game menu immediately. You sign in, then press ESC or tap the menu icon on mobile to expose camera, settings, or developer options. You do this because picture mode is usually toggled from camera or settings, so find those first. Once you see camera or a photo mode entry, pause, you're ready to change the mode. Make sure your input device, mouse, keyboard, touch, is responsive before moving on. Now that you've opened the camera or photo mode area, you will find a toggle or button labeled picture mode, photo mode, or screenshot mode. Click or tap it to disable. You do this to return the camera to normal gameplay behavior and re-enable standard controls. Once toggled off, press apply or confirm if prompted, then exit the menu. This ensures settings are saved. If controls feel strange afterward, move the mouse or use WASD to verify Finish by testing the camera and player controls. Attempt to look around and move, you should no longer be confined to fixed photo angles. If picture mode persists, quit and relaunch Roblox to ensure settings reload correctly. Make sure no admin commands, game developer scripts, or third-party camera tools are re-enabling photo mode, disable or remove them. One key troubleshooting tip. If relaunching fails, clear Roblox cache or reinstall. Corrupted local settings can lock you into a mode until reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.